Hey there! In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD2 trouble code P0441, also known as EVAP System Incorrect Purge Flow. First things first, let's break down what the P0441 code actually is. This code gets triggered when the Engine Control Module, ECM, detects that the purge flow in the EVAP system isn't working correctly. In simple terms, it means the system isn't purging fuel vapors properly, either too much or too little. Now let's talk about the EVAP system. The purpose of the EVAP system is simple but vital. It's designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, which helps reduce air pollution. Basically, it's a collection of components that create a sealed environment, capturing, storing, and eventually purging volatile fuel vapors from the fuel system. When the engine is off, fuel vapors are stored in the charcoal canister instead of being released into the atmosphere. Once the engine is running and the conditions are right, the purge valve opens. This allows those stored vapors to flow into the engine, where they're burned during the normal combustion process. If you want to read more about any other OBD2 codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Now let's learn why P0441 gets triggered. The PCM monitors the purge flow rate in the EVAP system. Under heavy load, when the engine needs more fuel, the PCM commands the EVAP system to release more vapors into the engine. Under steady load, it releases vapors gradually and in smaller amounts. If the actual purge flow doesn't match the PCM's expected command, code P0441 is set. Now that we understand what P0441 means and how it gets triggered, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0441 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD2 reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description for the best scanners out there. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0441 code reappears. If the P0441 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0441. Let's discuss some common root causes of the P0441 error code. The first cause is gas cap issues. Your gas cap could be missing, left open, or just not secured properly. Even worse, it might be faulty or damaged, which can compromise the sealed system. The next cause is cracked or damaged fuel tank. A cracked or damaged fuel tank can allow vapors to escape, leading to the P0441 code. The third cause is faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. The fuel tank pressure sensor plays a big role in monitoring the EVAP system. If it's faulty, it might falsely trigger the code. The fourth cause is cracked or damaged charcoal canister. The charcoal EVAP canister, which stores fuel vapors, can crack or get damaged over time. This creates a leak in the system. The fifth cause is a disconnected, cracked, or punctured EVAP hoses. EVAP hoses and clamps are another common point of failure. They might be disconnected, cracked, or even punctured. The sixth cause is a faulty EVAP vent solenoid. The EVAP vent solenoid, which allows fresh air into the system, can fail and cause a leak. The seventh cause is a faulty EVAP purge valve. Lastly, the EVAP purge valve, responsible for sending vapors to the engine, might be the culprit if it's not functioning correctly.